So these are the files in my link-dependent conspiracy case. My lawyer's already looked over all of this, and she says that we have a case. In fact, she's made several notes in this, which is why I'm making this video to point out. So this is a little thing, and it contains a CD with all of my medical records. It's just empty. This is law officers of the public defender, release of medical information from Gary Johnson. I'm not really too clear on Gary Johnson is, but I'm thinking that he is the psychologist over at NAAA. Though all of this is about how I have foot problems. I don't even remember having foot problems, so we're going to continue. Eventually we get to this, and I already have a couple videos of my mom signing this, falsely accusing me of kicking the dog and going mad on her, resulting in my extended stay at the mental health hospital. The officer didn't even care that I had a previous story about a psychologist immediately before this incident, which is on the timeline in here my lawyer wanted me to write up. And so my mom actually signed this. Yeah. To reconcile and apologize. That isn't going to cut it. They've been trying to manipulate me for years. And also Thomas David, my stepdad, has been abusive to me since I've been 17, resulting in me getting kicked out again and again. And I think he's the prime guy behind it all. Works as an electrician. And this is his restraining order. So he went down to the courthouse, got this restraining order, and the lawyer told me to get this case number and to look up this case because he claims that I can't go anywhere near. He put his daughter on here, who is an adult. I don't even know if you can do that. But he did this, and then he went back on it. Or he just let it expire. And this is the case that said that I was abusing the dogs. I just started like kicking the dogs. There's another one that said that I had attacked him with a wooden sword that happens to be in his room like right now. I don't have any wooden sword. I don't own a wooden sword. Said I tried to stab him with it. And this is Changing Echoes at Angel's Camp, and this is where I met with a psychologist and with a therapist, and I believe another psychologist, and they all said that I was in fine mental health. I was a regular genius. And this is the timeline from the incident at Angel's Camp to the number of jobs that I held and maintained for years, and then the incidents with mental health in the last, in like a couple years sandwiched, that was completely bungled and resulted in my abuse. And they claimed that I was violent, even though their reports, which are in here, do not include any violent charge at all. They never said that I was violent. They said that I had problems with the government. Isn't that a joke? Bunch of sadists there. This is the jobs that I had in between staying at the mental health hospital's Dollar Tree. This is the notes. This is all notes that my lawyer made. Angel's Camp, graduate from program after 25-day outstanding reviews, long-standing dispute, court debts, ticket for jaywalking, drinking in public, get copy of restraining order, Quia mental health, Michael Ward, meet to discuss case, bench warrant recalled. Yeah, I try to work with these people to let them know what had happened with those nurses. And this is my entire story. She wanted me to write this out. clearly see by reading it the motivation from my parents and the left field sadism of the system. This is a court paper. My defender, my counsel, Rachel Skoma. And this is some volunteer service that I have to do over a drinking charge that I got while in between mental health. $70, $275. I got a $70 thing reduced to a misdemeanor. Trying to get into the military. Said it was a good idea having military recruiters. Information that I gave to the judge. And that's it. This is just a bunch of other papers. Some more Kuya Delta request forms. Some more papers from court. And this is all included. Probation. That is more stuff from my military recruiters forms. They give you this. And you have court stuff. My dad has been helping me out. Recently, it's been really hard to get a hold of. Alright, that's it. Goodbye.